guys, welcome back to Don't Touch That Elliot. Today it's very cold outside, and I've been wondering where do the animals go when it's cold outside? Animals like frogs, snakes, and even alligators are cold-blooded. So that means they can't make their own body heat. When it's cold, those animals hide underground in the water or mud. This is called brumation. It's kind of like hibernation. In Louisiana, the alligators only stick their nose out so they can breathe during the winter. That's called icing, and it helps them survive until it gets warm enough. Animals like birds are warm-blooded, so they make their own heat. Birds fluff up their feathers to trap warm air. Mammals grow thicker fur or use body fat to stay warm. Some animals don't even stay for the cold. Did you know that birds actually migrate to another place that's warmer when it's winter? They migrate and they go to somewhere else warmer, and they come back during the spring. If you don't see many animals out in the winter, don't worry. That doesn't mean anything. They only went to somewhere else so they can stay safe and be warm. Remember, science is everywhere. You just have to look for it. That's the end of today's video. If you're on TikTok, make sure to absolutely smash that subscribe button. And YouTube, whatever platform you're on, make sure to subscribe. Now, yeah, whatever.
Don't touch that, Elliot.
Oh, dang it. Well, see you later, bozos.